a tremendous morning. Today the session is powered by Mrs. Datta Prasad. We were discussing active and passive voice. Already present tense over. Okay. Now let us go through past tense. Let us start with simple past. Simple past. First we are dealing was is added to the verb. So if it is singular subject, we'll use was, and if it is plural, where we will use. So let us start with this. Okay. The cat drank milk. Milk was drunk by the cat. They pulled the tree. The tree was pulled by them. Here, the boy made a kite. Kite must come this side and the boy must go there. A kite was made by the boy. The tiger killed a deer. A deer was killed by the tiger. So all these sentences, we used was because the subject is singular. Then here was, here was, and here also was. Okay. So more exercise you can do by yourself and you can get more clarity. Let us go for where. Where is added to the verb. The hunter shot down many ducks. Many ducks, we have to start with many ducks. So many ducks, it is plural. So let us use where. Many ducks were shot by the hunter. Next one, the camel ate leaves. Leaves, plural. So where we have to add? Leaves were eaten by the camel. Okay. Next one, she wrote several letters. Letters, plural. So we have to use where. Letters. Several letters were written by her. So here plural we use where we used, where we used. Okay. So where all we can use was as plural form, and where all we can use where, that also we have cleared here. Okay. Okay, fine. Next category, past continuous. If we speak about past continuous, what must come to our mind? Was or were plus been plus V3 form must come to our mind. And another one more thing, if the subject is in plural, verb also in plural. If the verb is singular, subject also singular. Okay? Don't forget that. So here, he was helping them in this case. How we can change? They were being by him in this case. The tiger was killed, the stag. Stag is singular. The stag was being killed by the tiger. The stag was being killed by the tiger. She was planning several plans. Several plans, plural. So plural verb we have to use. Several plans were being planned by her. Okay, so you can go for many examples and you can do practice exercise at home. So you will be getting more thorough knowledge in active and passive voice, and you have to learn while learning active to passive you have to learn, then passive to active also you have to make. So you will become so much thorough in that way. Next category, been is added to the verb. Been where we will use? Commonly perfect tense we will use. Here past perfect. Past perfect, if we speak about, what must come to your mind? Had plus been plus V3 form. So the question is, the lion had eaten wild animals. The subject is plural, verb also must be plural. Wild animals had been eaten by the lion. Wild animals had been eaten by the lion. Last year this dog had bitten several strangers. Several strangers had been bitten by this dog last year. By this dog last year. Okay. So here past perfect, had plus been plus third form. Had plus been plus third form. Here past continuous, being plus V3 form, where being V3 form. Here was being V3 form. Here where being V3 form. Okay, so do more exercise at home and get thorough knowledge out of this. Okay. Okay, fine. Now let me give you a sentence. From that sentence we can make or we can fill all these columns by active and passive. The question is, the boy made a kite. Then past continuous, the boy was making a kite. So here past continuous, was or were plus ing form. Structure. Here the boy had made a kite. So what is the structure? Had plus V3 form. Here the boy had been making a kite. So here what is the structure? Had plus been plus ing form. Okay. So here this must go this side. I mean object must come to subject side and subject goes to object side. A kite was made by the boy. Then second one, a kite was being made by the boy. Okay. Third category. So here what did we do? Was plus was or were plus V3 form. If it is plural, were. If it is singular, was. Here a kite had been made by the boy. So here what did we do? Had plus been plus V3 form. Okay. And here no passive voice. Okay. So here from only a single sentence I made all this active passive like that. So while practicing, you people also, what you have to do? Take a sentence and practice like this. Then and there itself, you will come to know what are the rules you have to use, what are the changes it is going to get. You will get all the conclusion like that. Okay. Here, I would like to give you a sentence, a transitive sentence in passive voice. How we can make that sentence from passive voice and how can we make all the active voice column letters. The watch had been stolen by someone. So first, this is past perfect passive voice only. So first of all, let us make past perfect active voice. So this must come here and this must come this side. Okay. So how will be? Someone had stolen my watch. Someone had stolen my watch. So here what we used? Had plus V3 form. Then here what will be? Someone had been stealing my watch. Okay, here what we used? Had plus been plus ing form. Okay, then how can we make here past continuous? Will be someone was stealing my watch. Then simple past column, someone stole my watch. Someone stole my watch. Then again passive voice, let us make it. Someone stole my watch. My watch was stolen by someone. So here someone was stealing my watch. What did we do? Was or were plus ing form. This is the structure we have to remember while making active to passive or passive to active. Then here, this is root verb only. Stall, a root verb. Here, my watch was being stolen by someone. Okay, so here what did we do? Was or were plus being plus V3 form. Here what we have to do? Here what we have to do? Had been plus V3 form. Okay, so here general rule, no passive voice. Okay, so from passive voice also we can make active voice. How? Subject must take us object and object must take us subject, and we can fill all the columns like this. Are you all following me? So once again, do exercise. You have to make your own exercise and practice at home from active to passive and passive to active. Then very easy, very easy. You can solve all this, and even while you are sleeping also someone asks you what is passive and what is active voice. Immediately you can raise up and give a reply for that. Very easy. All make a small example. Make a small example, and out of the example you have to make all the columns in a single sheet. Then immediately you will understand what is what, where all you have made changes. See, from here itself we can understand a root verb, was plus ing form, had plus V3 form. This is V3, and had been plus ing form. Here a root verb. Here was plus being plus V3 form. Here had plus been plus V3 form. So practice well and good. Many times you practice and get at most a result out of that. Okay. So like, share and subscribe the video by hitting the bell icon which is given below. And one more thing, unfold the blindfolded eyes and see the fantastic world of English. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.